Hi, good afternoon mga kabudyan dyan. This is Jamil Maribon, member of MMM, and now I will show you my provide help and get help. First, I will show you what the provide help. I provide help on August 18, 2015, amounting 3,200 pesos. In mining light, so I earn 10%. This is the 10%, 320 plus my PHP. I provided to Legenda Jason 200 PHP and 3,000 PHP to there's not name here, so total of 3,200 PHP. Now I will show you my get help. Just wait. My get help on August 19, 2015, amounting 3,500 pesos. This is my summary transaction. So I earned 3,500. My provider is Napi. He provide 3,500 PHP to me on August 19. So that's my transaction. Now I thank you to MMM and also to my manager Sherwin Gardin and to the founder of MMM, Sir G. Mabuti. Mabuhay po kayo. So I encourage you to support MMM by joining. The community will help you and you will help the community. We will help each other. Thank you.